Good day, folks, and welcome to Celeb Explore Hub, where we bring you the juiciest slices of celebrity lifestyle straight from the vine. Today's scoop takes us into the delicious world of Meghan Markle as she unveils her latest venture that's got tongues wagging and Instagram feeds buzzing. But hold on to your hats, because this isn't your average fruit jam. Let's dive in. Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Diversity, is making waves once again with the grand debut of her latest brainchild, American Riviera Orchard. And what's the star product that's got everyone talking? None other than a jar of luscious strawberry jam, hand-delivered to 50 lucky influencers and friends. Fashion icon Tracy Robbins and socialite Delphina Balkier are just a couple of the lucky recipients who've flaunted this sweet treat on their Instagram stories, giving us a taste of the Montecito magic. But what inspired this delectable endeavor? Some say Meghan's following in the footsteps of her father-in-law, King Charles III, who ventured into jam-making decades ago. And she's not alone in this culinary escapade. Hollywood heavyweights like Julianne Moore and Will Ferrell are also dipping their toes into the gourmet game. Fans are buzzing with excitement, eagerly awaiting the full unveiling of American Riviera Orchard later this spring. With hints of exclusive recipes, stylish tableware, and more, Meghan's venture promises a tantalizing blend of taste and elegance. And there you have it, folks, a delicious sneak peek into Meghan Markle's flavorful empire. Are you ready to spread the love with a dollop of Montecito goodness? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more sizzling updates from Celeb Explore Hub. Until next time, bon appetit! Welcome back to Celeb Explore Hub, your gateway to all the latest updates and revelations from around the globe. Today, we're delving into the intriguing world of royalty, where secrets and surprises often lurk behind the grandeur. Ever wondered what made the late Queen Elizabeth II tick? Hold onto your crowns, because a former aide's claims might just flip the royal script. According to Samantha Cohen, a former aide to Her Majesty, the late Queen had a penchant for the unexpected. In an exclusive interview with the Herald Sun, Cohen unveiled fascinating insights into the Queen's personality. Describing her as ego-free and utterly at ease,